Yes, AI is useful, but only when it is invisible. The most helpful AI is the one that works that you don't see. The one that does the predictive analytics, the one that does the real-time list scoring, the one that is using intelligent data synthesis, and could even auto-update floor plans so that you don't have to be in a spreadsheet for years of your life. This is the gap, though, where, unfortunately, where we're at. This is what AI can do, but this is where we are. Here's a quick example. An event team I met had a chatbot that they deployed, which was great, but not a lot of people used. It was a sentiment analysis tool that you would get some data, and there was some automation that needed fixing all the time. But the real planning is still live in a spreadsheet that they called Master Final V9 Real Final. All of those tools were put into process, but there wasn't really a lot of strategic oversight and thought behind how we're going to make this happen. Unfortunately, there's a disconnect between what AI can do and where we are as an industry. Luckily, we're here to fix that.